Never thought this road would lead to the day that I would meet you among 1,000 passing lives. God was guiding our story through. You came when my heart felt empty, a gentle answer to every prayer. Little by little, time kept speaking, joining two souls from different paths. God who brought us together, God who made us one forever. When the world begins to change, His love still lights the way we take. God who brought us together in a love filled with hope and wonder, I believe for all my life we are sheltered by His love divine. If someday storms begin to find us and tears fall softly from our eyes, we will still hold on to our promise, for God is standing by our side. God who brought us together, God who made us one forever. When the world begins to change, His love still lights the way we take. God who brought us together in a love filled with hope and wonder, I believe for all my life we are sheltered by His love divine. What God has joined together, no one can easily sever. Through the joy and through the pain, we will walk hand in hand always. Thank you, Lord. You are the one who brought us together, and the one